Turquoise Tummy Toner RollerSizeR, take me away. Normally, trainers have you put your hands underneath your glutes for lower ab exercises. Nope, the RollerSizeR is placed there, there's no stress to the neck, and it makes doing lower straight-legged leg lifts so much easier, even at the age of over 60. It can also be placed behind the neck so that your neck is supported for regular ab crunches. You can put the RollerSizeR behind your knees and do oblique crunches with full support. Oh, and get some biceps too. When you're all done, underneath the knees, rock up. Fitness is hard at any age. The RollerSizeR, a gym in the bag, makes it easier. Online daily classes in its own club so you can learn how to use it. I train from home while you be safe in home getting fit faster with the RollerSizeR. The RollerSizeR is a portable ab toning tool, $39.95, and get a whole month of classes for free.